Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to use the Datedif and today functions of Excel for us to compute the age using birth date. So what we have to do is we need to type in equal sign, Datedif function followed by open parenthesis, and then click the link or the cell wherein the birth date was located, comma, and then today function, comma, and then quoted y, and then close parenthesis, and then enter. So there you have it, the age was automatically computed. But just in case you want to put word years old after the computed age, we can do that also. So all you have to do is you need to type in the same syntax, the dated if function and the today functions. You just need to add and quoted years old. And then enter. So as you can see, the computed age was 14 and then followed by the word years old. And now you can copy it and there you have it. Age was computed automatically and that's easy.